Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this gorgeous slimline mixed media greeting card. So I have used lots of techniques here. These flowers are handmade, which are made using Foamiran sheets, and I have added lots of small tips and tricks in this card, and you can write any message inside the card. So let's get started. First I'm starting with making the Foamiran flower. For this I'm taking these 3 large size 6 petal flowers and 2 small size 6 petal flowers, and also I am taking 1 small filler flower. For the large flower I am taking dark pink shade, and for filler flower I am taking baby pink color. Now I am taking my embossing pad and hot iron, and just put your flower on top of the iron. Do it very carefully, and using the ball tool just hold it like this for few seconds and it will automatically get shrunk like this. Now release it slowly and it will get the cuppy shape. Now just pinch in the center using ball tool to make it firm cup. In the same way I am repeating this with other flowers. The templates of these flowers is given in description box. You can just download it and trace it on the Foamiran flower, and you can simply cut it using scissors. Similarly I am shaping the small size flowers and filler flower. Just rotate this and pinch in the center like this. So flower shaping is done. Now I will show you how to attach pollens and construct the flower. So first I am adhering all 3 layers using my craft glue. You can also use hot glue gun. Just offset the petals. Now in the same way I am adding these 2 small layers of flowers. Then take your embossing pad and pinch in the center using any pointed thing and make a hole for both the flowers. Then I am taking 4 round light yellow thread pollens and taking 1 wire and just making a loop like this. Fold the pollens like this and insert the wire through the center hole of the flower. So automatically the pollens will get inserted through this hole. Add little glue in the center and just pull the wire from bottom like this. Now you can just remove the wire and the flower with the center is ready. You can adjust the pollens according to your requirement. I am just pulling it little bit out so that it will be visible. And similarly I am adding 4 pollens in the small flower. Like this. So this is done. In the same way I have created total 5 big flowers and 4 small flowers. Now I am showing you how to insert the pollen in filler flowers. So here I am taking wire pollen, make a hole in the center, add little glue and just stick it like this. In the same way I have created 1 more. So I am just wrapping both the filler flowers with each other using green color floral tape. So in this way you can create the bunch of small filler flowers. And this is done. With the same procedure, I have created some more filler flower bunches. So this is done. Now I am taking this white cardstock which measures 20 by 20 centimeters, and I have just folded this in half. Then I am taking this pattern paper which measures 9.5 by 19.5 centimeters, and I am taking one more cardstock which measures 9 by 19 centimeters. So here for the smallest cardstock, I am going to distress the edge using my Tim Holtz distresser. This is a paper distresser which is very helpful to distress the edges of any kind of paper, and it will give you very nice shabby look. So I am just distressing all four sides. If you don't have this distresser tool, you can also use scissors. So just open the scissor and distress like this. So it will also give you the same effect. Now I'm taking my vintage photo distressing and just adding little color on the edge of this. Similarly, I am applying little color on this other pattern paper also. This pattern paper is by Dress My Craft and it is called Shabby Blues. All the supply links are given in description box if you want to purchase anything. Now I am taking back my base and I am sticking this cardstock. And then I will add another cardstock on top of this. Then I have these two beautiful silver cardstock frames which I am going to add on top and on the bottom. I have created this using dies, but if you don't have die, you can also cut it using scissors or paper cutter and create your own windows. Like this. Then here in the center I am adding this beautiful vintage frame. On back side of this I have added double foam to give little dimension, and in the center I have added vintage photo which I got from Google. I just googled vintage photos and I got this and I have just printed out. Now I am taking this beautiful border punch design. From this I have weaved dark blue color ribbon. This is a weaved punch by Dress My Craft. If you don't have this, you can use any kind of border punch design. I have weaved it using dark blue ribbon because it is matching with our base paper very much. And it is looking gorgeous on the base. Now I will start decorating with the flowers. So I have just cut the backside thread of the flower using scissors. And now I will start adhering these flowers one by one using hot glue gun. You can also use normal glue to stick, but it will take little time. So to just fasten the process, I am using hot glue. Also tucking small flowers and filler flowers here and there. Then I have these beautiful leaf cutouts which I got using green color Foamiran sheet. I have just used some dies to cut these leaves. You can also hand cut these shapes. So in the same way, adhere some more leaves here and there. Now this is done. So here I am taking this jute thread and taking some threads and making a bunch. I am using this thread by Little Birdie, which is a brand of Itsy Bitsy. But you can also use the coconut shell hairs to make the small hair. And I'm tucking this inside the flowers to make my card more shabby and more vintage. In the same way, I have added these hairs here and there. It's looking cute. Now I'm just adding little glue here and there and sprinkling some blue color flower pearls. Just taking out the excess flower pearls on my funnel tray, and then on top of this I am adding this sparkle dust. This is a glitter sparkle dust. Also adding the sparkle dust on the frame as well. Here I have used the vintage clock frame, but you can also use any wooden embellishment frame in place of this. So just add little sparkle. And tap the excess, and this is done. Now I'm adding the cute sentiment "You are so magical" in the bottom and adding one cute butterfly cutout on the top. Like this. Here I have added some water droplets to give little more dimension and added some pearl drops here and there using my yellow pearl drop. So the card is ready and it's looking super cute. You can just write an extra message if you want to add inside the card. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.